Hey, it's Annie with your latest tech update. When you replace your business's computers, do you delete the data off the old ones and then just get rid of them? You could be putting your business at risk. Old hard drives are often sold online. Cybercriminals buy them and attempt to recover millions of deleted files. Even if your hard drive's damaged, there's still a chance data can be recovered. Good news, there's a way to protect yourself. Ask a professional to handle the data transfer to new devices. They can ensure old devices are sanitized, wiped totally clean, or even physically destroyed. You should do this with computers and any external drives. Would you leave important documents just lying around for anyone to see? Of course not. Your digital information deserves the same protection. If we can help, get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.